Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday, everyone. It's May 1, 2025, and right now we are on top of the mountains. Okay, but the place is very nice, as you can see it. We are here in Camping Hill and Cafe in what place is this? Tanausari, Ratchaburi. It's a nice place here, guys. We can give you a little bit of a tour. So this is their receiving area, the office, the kitchen, and the cafe. You can order food, drinks, and other beverages. So it's early in the morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. Ang kagandahan dito, guys, ang fresh air. Napaka-fresh ang air. Okay. So dito tayo mag-umpisa. So this is the viewpoint. Actually, they have 4 viewpoints kasi naka-terrace itong place, naka-terrace. So the first part, yung doon ako galing sa taas, yun doon, yung may mga picture, yun ang pinaka-peak ng campsite dito. So if I may choose, doon sana ang maganda, pinakapataas, pero malayo sa kitchen kung sakaling may order drinks. Yan. At saka ito, magandang yan, magandang campsite yan, yung may mga, at saka yung may car na camping car. Nature, guys, fresh air. Okay. That's the good thing in camping. When you raise your tent, the stress decrease. The tent rising, the stress decreasing. That's the good thing doing camping. Ito, guys, napaka steep paakyat papunta dito na campsite. Ang accommodation, guys, isang room niyan is 1,200 AC. Pero no need for AC this place. Malamig. Malinis ang kanilang coffee shop. Ang kanilang restaurant, mini restaurant. Okay. Maganda, malinis. May mga food and drinks, and ito purely coffee shop dito, purely coffee shop. Ang pangalan ng place is Camping Hill and Cafe. Dito naman is the kitchen. Yan ang kitchen. You can order food there, and then you can find your own place to eat. Can be here or dito. Pwede dito. Maraming mga tables. Yan, mga outside tables. Wooden tables. Wooden. Yan. Maganda, guys. Simple lang. Simple, hindi masyadong maraming, ilan lang to accommodation, 5, nasa mga 12 lang ang accommodation nila na houses. The rest, pwede ka na mag-camping. If you have your own tent, it's only 200 baht per pax or per person. So kung kukuha kayo ng ganitong accommodation, 1,200. Tapos kung mag-camping ka lang, bali 3 araw na sa 2 tao kung mag-camping. That's why I love camping. Nakakatipid ka pa, nakakapasyal ka pa. You can cook your own food, your own choice. Guys, the sun is coming. It's peeping now. Okay. And ito yung tent natin. Of course, Columbia. Columbia at your service. And ito yung makulit natin ng mga buddies. And ang bait-bait. Pag sabihin mong dyan ka lang, dyan lang sila. Pag sabihin mong labas na, nako, kukulit niyan. So that's all for now. A short update. I will give you update later when the sun rises.